Today I'm going to talk about 25 herbs to support, repair, and detox liver. These are the best herbs that can help improve liver health and promote healing. Some of these herbs you probably heard about or used, and there are some not known to many people. Let's start with number 1. I am sure you're familiar with this herb. It is called milk thistle, a popular herbal remedy for liver health. It contains limarin, a compound known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can aid in the protection and repair of liver cells. 2. Dandelion, a powerful herb used for centuries to promote liver health. It can help boost bile production, which aids digestion and eliminates toxins from the body. 3. Shishandra, a traditional Chinese herb used for centuries to support liver function. It contains compounds known as lignans, which can protect liver cells from damage and improve liver function. Licorice root, a traditional Chinese herb with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, can improve liver health. 5. Artichoke. Artichoke contains cynarin, which increases bile production, aids digestion, and protects liver cells from damage. Number 6. Ginger. A popular cooking ingredient, contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, can protect liver cells and improve function. Ginger can reduce free radicals levels and improve the liver. Ginger can help with fatty liver disease and also improve digestion. I use it whenever I have heartburn or bloating. Number 7. Turmeric. A popular cooking spice, contains curcumin, a compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can improve liver health. 8. Chicory. It contains phenolic compounds that protect liver cells and improve function. Burdock root, commonly used in traditional Chinese medicine, can improve liver function and aid in toxin elimination. This herb contains anthraquinones, which promote bile production, digestion, and liver health. 11. Korean ginseng. Korean red ginseng is known to improve liver disease and function. Korean red ginseng and its associated ginsenosides have been linked to a variety of biological effects and immunological benefits. Number 12. Sugarcane. Sugarcane contains vitamin C and antioxidants, which help to develop liver and bile detoxification enzymes and speeds up the liver cleansing process. Sugarcane juice strengthens the liver, allowing it to function properly. This delicious juice, high in nutrients, minerals, and vitamins, has healing properties that help normalize blood and bile damage, nourish the body, and rejuvenate the liver. 13. Garlic. Garlic contains potent sulfur-containing compounds as well as vitamins and minerals that aid in liver detox. It contains sulfur compounds that stimulate liver enzymes, allowing the liver to eliminate toxins from the body via urine. Number 14. Baobab. Baobab fruit protects and restores the liver due to the presence of compounds such as beta-sitosterol and beta-amyrin palmitate in its pulp. Baobab fruit pulp is found to be helpful against chemical imbalances and carbon-related damage. 15. Basil. Basil's strong detox properties may benefit your liver health. Basil may help to prevent fat buildup in the liver and keep it healthy. 16. Bringraj. Bringraj is one of the best natural remedies for liver cirrhosis. It naturally purifies the blood while also improving heart and liver function. In addition, bringraj is an excellent herb for treating liver disorders such as hepatomegaly, fatty liver, and jaundice. 17. Bumi amla. Bumi amla has strong hepatoprotective properties that improve liver function and repair damaged hepatic cells and tissues. Bumi amla promotes the healthy function of the liver. In addition, it not only detoxifies the liver, but it also helps nourish the organ. 18. Chirata. The potent herb supports liver function by secreting bile, which helps liver enzymes return to normal levels. Chirata, a liver tonic, is considered to help protect the liver from damage. 19. Astragalus propinquus. Astragalus is used to strengthen and protect the immune system, preventing colds, upper respiratory infections, and protecting the liver. In addition, astragalus contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. 20. Kutki. It contains antioxidants which protects the liver from cellular damage caused by free oxygen radicals. In addition, it is an important detoxifying or liver degenerating herb. 21. Rose-hips. Research suggests that rose-hips may help prevent liver damage, particularly after liver toxicity. Rosehip can reduce liver inflammation and help repair damaged cells. This is especially important for tumors and ulcers. And the next one is goji berries, known as wolfberries. Consuming goji berries may help to protect your liver from oxidative stress. Goji berries contains a bioactive compound called zeaxanthin dialmitate, which may benefit the liver. They can also help manage liver health and prevent the progression of alcohol-induced fatty liver. 23. Sarsaparilla root. Sarsaparilla contains flavonoids, including sarsaparillosid, which act as an antioxidant and protect liver cells from damage. The root contains strong antioxidants and plant compounds that have a cleansing effect on your entire body, particularly your liver and kidneys. 24. Bumia malaki. This liver protective herb detoxifies and strengthens the liver, providing relief from conditions such as acute hepatitis B infections. Bumia malaki contains bioactive compounds that support liver and kidney health. Number 25. Kalmek. Kalmek contains compounds that have been shown to help the liver detoxify harmful substances, lowering the risk of liver damage. It is also traditionally used in Ayurveda to improve liver function, detoxification, and respiratory health. It promotes the elimination of toxins and the revitalization of your liver health. There you go, these are the 25 herbs to support and detox your liver. I hope this video is helpful and can benefit you. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.